Introduction to DBT series. Welcome to this video on dialectical behavior therapy, or DBT. DBT is a type of therapy that combines elements of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, and mindfulness practices. It was developed in the late 1980s by Dr. Marsha Linehan as a treatment for individuals with borderline personality disorder. Before we dive into DBT, let's first understand how our brains process emotions. Our emotional responses are triggered by a part of our brain called the amygdala. When something happens that triggers an emotion, the amygdala sends a signal to our body to react. This reaction can be physical or mental, such as feeling anxious or angry. For people with borderline personality disorder or other emotional dysregulation disorders, these emotional responses can be overwhelming and difficult to manage. That's where DBT comes in.
DBT is a form of therapy that helps people learn new skills to manage their emotions and improve their relationships with others. One of the key skills we teach in DBT is mindfulness.
Mindfulness is a practice that involves being present in the moment, without judgment. It can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings and learn to accept them without getting caught up in them.
In DBT, we also teach skills in emotion regulation, distress tolerance, and interpersonal effectiveness.
Emotion regulation skills help individuals learn to manage their emotions and reduce the intensity of their emotional reactions. This can be done by identifying and labeling emotions, practicing self-soothing techniques, and learning to change negative thought patterns. Distress tolerance skills help individuals learn to cope with distressing situations without making the situation worse. This can be done by using techniques such as distraction, self-soothing, and relaxation. Interpersonal effectiveness skills help individuals learn to communicate effectively with others and build healthy relationships. This can be done by learning to set boundaries, assertiveness, and problem-solving.
One of the unique aspects of DBT is that it is a dialectical approach to therapy. This means that we work to balance opposing ideas or thoughts.
Dialectics can help individuals learn to tolerate ambiguity, see things from multiple perspectives, and find balance in their thoughts and behaviors.
DBT can be helpful for a variety of issues, not just borderline personality disorder. It can be useful for anxiety, depression, substance abuse, and other mental health concerns.
If you think DBT might be helpful for you, reach out to a qualified mental health professional to learn more about this evidence-based therapy.